We're going to use the bike crank extractor pulley to take out this pulley. To take this pulley out is very difficult without this tool. It's a specialized tool, so you can take out pulleys on exercise bike and bicycles, mountain bike, all that. So we have a square taper configuration right here. So to use this to remove this crank, we take out this magnetic head right here. And what we do is we're going to turn this to pull this piece way back. You can see how it's going back. The idea is that we're going to twist this thing onto here, and then we're going to turn this. When you turn this, it's going to push that bolt right there and basically leverage yourself. They're going to pull the crank out. That's all it is. Very important tool that makes life so easy. So I'm going to twist this on right here. This part right here, you can just hold this and turn it. You can use the open end wrench to turn this piece right here and just turn it. You want to tighten this all the way because you want to use this as your leverage. So tighten this all the way in until you cannot tighten it no more. So this is very important that you get some good threads in there, right? So now that you got the good threads in there, we just turn this. And as you remember, this is going to push in there and it's going to push the crank out for us. So you're going to have to hold this piece right here. And then you can use a socket to put onto this end. Super easy. We have a 14mm socket that fit right here. And then that allows me to use this socket right here to turn. Now I have leverage to turn. And as I turn, it's gonna push this crank out. Watch this. This is so awesome. You got one hand pushing up and one hand turning. Begin to release the crank. It's gonna come out. It's gonna pop out. It's gonna be sweet. And just like that, the crank is now released. Bada boom, bada bang. There we go. You can turn it out and you'll see it had pushed the crank out, and that's it. That's how you take out the square taper crank with this awesome tool. Without this tool, you will struggle forever. You can see the crank is now removed. I'll take out the tool so you can see again. So this tool right here, take this out and there you go. This is a tool, and that's how you're able to take out the crank. That's a very special tip that helps with the square taper crank. And we have the magnetic head right here. Put it back and there's your tool. This is a magical tool right here.